Hey guys, it's been so long since I see you guys. We're at Ace Hardware. I don't remember how many days of MCO already. It's almost finished, I think. We're past the MCO, so we can go out already. We have to be extra cautious. So we're at Ace Hardware. We're gonna get some car wash, and I think we're gonna do something special for the saga and to our cars as well. So stay tuned. We're gonna be pushing you guys to see on the next clip. See you.
Kau jangan ambil 4 orang weh.
We're on the way home. We just picked up a guy. Oh, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
You are. We're gonna go wash the car now. See you in a bit. So guys, we're back at base. Ralph is handling the water. And we got Nick and Ho washing, scrubbing with the soap because they like to get wet.
Bruh.
Our first wash actually. Kan? Our first wash kan?
Yeah.
It's our first official wash. So let's get it done.
Bukan korang tak je. Tapi ini boleh, actually boleh. Sekejap.
Okay.
Hey, I want to start photo ni. Kotor saya buih yang tu. Good exercise a bit right. Pakai good morning towel.
So we're just gonna be using a good morning towel just to wipe it off because the car is gonna be repainted anyway, so it doesn't really matter about the paint. But ideally, you want to use a microfiber towel to dry off the car. As you can see, it looks way better. It looks shinier. Don't you think, Raf?
The soap works.
Yeah, the soap really. Wow, it's so dirty before. Look at the wheels, man. The wheels are like so different. Even though it can be better. Like all these parts on the side, it can be better, but it looks way better in my opinion. It's shiny, man. Not half bad. Not bad. Successful mission, I guess. The car looks pretty good. We're just gonna dry it off now. Then we're gonna do some other cars. Then after it dries out, we're gonna do the tire wax. The wipers are shot anyway, so we gotta have to change those. But other than that, it looks pretty fine. So on to the next car, the infamous Dugong. So see, there's been a lot of marks. So we're gonna try out if we can wash all of our cars today. So let's hope all these watermarks will be gone. Second car done, now is the third car. So next is big old Raf's car, the mighty Proton Wira. Represent MSF, yes? What do you have to say, Raf? Push.
Pakai je lah.
It is soap, by the way, so it doesn't really mind. So let's see where we can bring this car looking just as handsome as the owner, right? Right, just as handsome as the owner. Third car is done. We didn't do the interior, so don't mind that, but other than that, look. Spotless, man. Are you happy?
Yes.
Somebody's real happy. Look at the quality of the paint, man. Ain't half bad at all. The wheels are shining. We haven't put tire wax yet for all the cars. Tunggu kejap lagi kot bila dia kering sikit. Somebody's happy. Somebody can go home and relax for the short way. White on white, guys. Perfect combo. Just finished the 4th car. There it goes. Far away. Far away, a place we never know.
We don't want to know.
We don't want to know. So Raf just tried the 4 ringgit tire wax. Looks pretty good if I do say so myself. Looks damn shiny actually. It's a bit of the dirty place, but it's not bad though. You can see the shine, quick shine. $4 doesn't get better than that lah, if I'm being honest. $4 cannot beat way. It's so cheap.
So cheap.
And there's a lot more left. See? Like barely used like quarter. That's not bad. Nick, tak nak pakai tire wax ke?
Ya.
Asal?
Tak ada nampak tak tayar aku macam mana condition?
Alah, biar berkilat okey apa. Kan, Rafan?
Dia tak nak buat apa pakai kat Mybi kau tu.
Apalah. Okay, on to the 5th car, which is my car.
No.
Kasih pancut sikit lah.
Alah tu.
No.
Nick, cuba kau buat Nick.
No.
Yeah, it's very shiny. Like, look from afar. Just by a quick wash. A wash can do wonders to your car. See, look. The wheels are so shiny. I mean, they're ugly wheels, but they're shiny. The hell? I didn't expect it to come this good. Looks a million times better. Next up is the interior, I guess. There's a lot of things that we need to get sorted out. And like I was saying, the windshields are shot. But she looks good. From like 10 meters. I mean, up close, she's in rough shape, but from afar, she does look pretty good. We wanted to give a big shout out to Raf, Luis, Nick, Cole, because they've all been helping us with the washing the car. So in these hard times, so it's not something quite easy. But we'll update you guys next. So see you. Stay tuned.